Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix controller not working in Steam games. A controller that is not responding in Steam games can be frustrating, especially when it works in other applications or is properly connected to your computer. Controller issues can occur because of incorrect Steam input settings, disabled controller support, Windows not detecting the controller correctly, or temporary Steam client glitches. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to restore your controller's functionality. The first thing to do is check Steam's controller settings. Open Steam and click on the Steam button located in the upper left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then navigate to the Controller section. Click on Show Advanced Settings. This opens additional controller configuration options that allow Steam to recognize and properly communicate with different types of controllers. Make sure the option Guide Button Focuses Steam is turned on. This allows the controller's guide button to interact with the Steam interface and ensure Steam is correctly receiving controller input. Next, make sure Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers is enabled. Steam Input acts as a translation layer that allows Xbox controllers and many other controllers to work correctly with games, even if the games do not have built-in support. If you are using a PlayStation controller, make sure that PlayStation controller support is also enabled. This allows Steam to detect PlayStation controllers and map their buttons properly for compatible games. After applying these settings, close the menu and test your controller in the game again. If the controller still does not work, the next step is to check whether Windows is detecting the controller. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type joy.cpl and press Enter. This opens the Game Controllers panel in Windows. Look through the list of connected controllers and make sure your controller appears there and shows a status of OK or Active. If the controller does not appear, the problem may be related to the USB connection, Bluetooth pairing, controller drivers, or the controller itself. Try reconnecting the controller using a different USB port, reconnecting Bluetooth, or restarting the controller before testing again. If the controller is detected but Steam games still do not recognize it, the final step is to completely restart Steam. Click on the Steam icon in your system tray or toolbar. Select Exit Steam. This completely closes the Steam client and stops all Steam background processes. After Steam is fully closed, reopen it and launch your game again. Restarting Steam refreshes the controller detection system and can fix temporary bugs that prevent Steam from recognizing input devices. It is important to understand that controller problems can be caused by different factors, including incorrect Steam input settings, disabled controller support, outdated or corrupted controller drivers, USB or Bluetooth connection problems, conflicts with other controller software, temporary Steam client glitches. A common beginner mistake is assuming the controller is broken when the issue is often caused by a simple software setting. Another common mistake is testing the controller only inside the game without first checking whether Windows itself can detect the device. To summarize, fixing a controller that does not work in Steam games begins by opening Steam, Settings, Controller, Show Advanced Settings, and enabling Guide Button Focuses Steam, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers and the appropriate PlayStation controller support. If the problem continues, open joy.cpl and make sure your controller is listed and active. Finally, completely exit Steam and reopen it to refresh controller detection. These steps can solve many of the most common Steam controller issues. And that's how to fix a controller not working in Steam games. By checking Steam's controller settings, confirming that Windows detects the controller, and restarting the Steam client, you can resolve most controller connection and input problems and get back to gaming normally. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.